Alright everyone, so here's the thing. Now, you want to start a YouTube channel. You're passionate about creating videos on YouTube. You want to become a YouTube content creator and earn name and fame and money. You want to be a professional YouTube content creator. Or you have just recently or newly opened or created your own YouTube channel. But did you ever ponder upon this question, whether you should aim for perfection or not? Well, is it really necessary to aim for perfection in order to become a YouTube content creator or making videos? Well, today I'm going to break things into simpler forms to let you know about the basics of what to do and what not to while creating videos on YouTube. And I think these are essentially important to be talked about or should be addressed. So without further ado, let's dive in straight. Hi, my name is Menak. Let's get started. Well, to start with, firstly, I want to address to the problems of new creators on this platform. Well, the first thing is that most of the YouTubers who aim for perfection in making each of the video contents end up procrastinating a lot. By procrastination, I mean to say that they think about delaying or I can say, I'm not getting the exact words to describe, it's a kind of delay which they want to make in recording the video while writing the script, purely making it less organic, which in the cases of my videos are often deemed to be quite organic videos. Like whatever I speak on spot in front of the camera tends to be absolutely organic. I don't intend to cram a script totally or wholly and just mug it up right in front of the camera. No, I never do this. Whatever I speak, it's right straight to you, audience, and in front of the camera itself. Whatever just comes to my mind, I speak out that. The speech automatically comes out of my mouth, so you need not to aim for perfection in the beginning when you are starting for a new YouTube channel or making recent contents like you put up with just a couple of, let's say 5-10 videos on YouTube. Because everyone starts as a newbie and it's not at all possible to make contents on YouTube 100% perfectly and correctly. You may not be good at editing in the first place, or scripting in the first place, or the way of your presentation or talking in front of the camera. So I recommend you not to aim for perfection or being correct. You should absolutely avoid the fear of getting judged, because even if you make certain mistakes while presenting yourself in front of the camera, the YouTube algorithm is not going to be recommending that particular video to the other people or push it to the other audiences of YouTube. So I recommend you to make videos, keep on moving up with the pace, be consistent, and above all, maintain the decency and the quality of each and every content. That's what I'd recommend you to do. Do not aim for perfection, just try to be unique, and also make sure that you don't copy others. With that comes to my point of telling you that you shouldn't aim for perfection. If you like this video, then do like the video by hitting that like button, and also don't forget to let me know in the comments. By the time, take care, stay good, stay happy, positive, healthy, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.